Hello people, today I want to show you how to install a little water heater for your sink. In my case I'm installing that in the garage right next to my sink. That's my sink out of Gearbox. Obviously the sink haven't been used for ages, that's why it's all covered in stuff. The paint is flaking, so that needs cleaning up. And then I bought this on like a car boot sale for like £5, and the bloke said, "Hey, 100% works," but all I got is this and a pipe, nothing else. So it looks new, so I'm planning to mount that on here somewhere, over here on the wall. So the water is closed at the minute. It's that copper pipe there. So I'll need to extend the pipe from there to the water feed here. So let's get to work. So I took it apart, front cover. There is another little slot. It's just a body sort of little cover. Took that off. Now let's screw this on and measure more or less where do you want the tap. Obviously I want distance to be able to wash my hands freely. I don't want that there because I don't want it. I like it higher so that I've got space. So obviously I will have to re-drill holes. The original holes don't fit, so mine will go more or less here. Like I'll make a mark. The bottom one works, the bottom one is fine, this one here, but over there I'll need to drill a hole where this is, where this pin is, and then two plastic wall plugs, screws, and it will be mounted. Yeah, perfect. One there, one there. Now let's make the marks on the wall. So for the wall plug, make sure you use the drill that is made for the walls, for the concrete. Well, in my case, my garage is made out of concrete, but so make sure that you use the right size. So let's do some drilling. Set yourself a drill on the hammer. If you do, it's easier. And if you want, you can mark with a tape how far you want to go. So if you look at the drill, and that's the size I want. Obviously I left a little bit of space because I want the wall plug to actually go into the wall fully. And so yeah, it's good to make that little mark. So let's do some drilling. Top wall plug. Oh, there you go. Solid, holding, it won't fall off. Make sure that you turn off the mains when you're connecting it up. I fitted a little valve in the middle. That's a pipe, the water feed to the dishwasher, but I can use that here. So I've attached the valve. You can open and close the water if needs be for whatever reason. This needs tying up more. So the other end, which looks like this, will need to be cut down, and then I need to attach this somehow to the copper pipe that is actual water feed to my sink, and we'll be ready for testing. Okay, so the water is connected. Hit the button. Hot, cold, enough space to wash hands, enough pressure, you know. So thank you very much. Now I've got a little bracket here that looks like this, which I will mount probably somewhere here for the soap, for the pump for the soap as well, to maybe hang a towel on the side.